This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Young. Annual rental in 55+ community. No pets. No smoking. Available January 1, 2024. You will love living in this nicely decorated and completely furnished 2-bedroom/2-bath adorable condo. The kitchen boasts granite counters and wood cabinets. Both bedrooms are decorated very nicely with touches to make you feel right at home. There are new sinks, vanities and lighting in both bathrooms and a new shower in the master. Everything you need is here and ready for you to move right in. You can relax on the enclosed lanai with pleasant views. Located in close proximity to the North Clubhouse, you can go for a quick swim or a workout in the exercise building. This beauty is located in Kings Point, a gated, resort-style retirement community with 2 beautiful clubhouses, 6 heated pools, an 850-seat theater, an elegant spa, tennis courts, 3 golf courses, 2 hot tubs, billiards, several pickleball courts, 2 state-of-the-art fitness centers, and much, much more. Dozens of social and sports clubs will keep you entertained year-round. This maintenance-free community allows access to doctors, hospitals, shopping, banking, restaurants, and virtually everything you will ever need via a golf cart. Kings Point even offers a free transportation system. Centrally located minutes from an assortment of spectacular beaches, world-class fishing, Tampa's convenient cruise port, and Disney World, Kings Point is an award-winning community and one of Florida's best places to live. Call now and start living your dream tomorrow. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimberly Young at 941-302-9820.